Today I'll be showing you guys how to save a video to a particular file immediately. So what do we do? If I go to my file explorer and go to this PC, you notice I have two drives here for storage. This is SSD and this is HDD. So I want this SSD to be the one that will be holding my OS, and it's based on it very fast and smooth. It can't crash, so all my files, all my operating system and my processes will be running. And then here is actually where my files will be saved, my music, my videos, my downloads, everything I want to save is saved here. Now but the hard way is any file you're working on, when you want to save, you have to go to this folder. But Windows 11 has this feature they added to it that allows you to choose automatically what hard drive or what location you want, or what hard disks you want to use to save your files. So that's what I'll be showing you guys today. So let's go straight to it. So if I go to Windows security settings, then over to settings, I go to system, click on storage, and over here you see the storage of the SSD is actually what is visible here. So when I go down, I'll click on advanced storage. Then here you see where new contact is saved. I'll select it, and here now it says change your apps, that's documents, music, picture, video and whatever, to the drive you want it to be saved. So over here I'll come here, I'll see my two drives. So I'll select this, I'll go here, select this, go here, select this, go here, select this, go here, select this, and also this. So when I apply all of them, it's gonna apply. So when I'm done applying it, this is where my files will be saved. So whatever I'm downloading is going to this location. So if I open it, you see that this is actually program files, this is Windows app. So any file I'm working on, if I'm downloading file from the internet, it goes to these folders here and stay. Then under videos, you see that screen recording is saved. So actually this video I did was saved to this folder automatically, so I don't need to do anything about that. That's actually how you do that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.